Okay.
Welcome back to Lone Star Rising Ranch. I'm Dominic. Camera person is Gretchen. Have assembled a wire gateway that looks like that. It's to keep out critters out of your garden from a rabbit, possum, raccoon, even bigger. They probably won't keep a deer out though. So we left off with this wasn't connected, and by the way, the power is off. And I made this top pretty tight and put this device on there, which just slides down. Oops. Slides down past these, and once you get down to where you want it, you just tighten her up. And as you can see, these posts I have at a 45-degree angle. That way you get a nice taut grip on it, and it's more secure. So you tighten it up on the post as much as you can. So it's this is the insulator in the middle. So these are insulated away from any grounding. And so you continue your wiring from the power box out to here, and then you're going to hook up the handle, it's spring-loaded handle, to here. So we're going to do that part now. And this is the handle I chose, which is spring-loaded. And so when you put this on, you have to be sure to have a very tight connection. So you need to make sure that the spring is loaded enough to be able to get it off, but not too much where you can't get it off or have to skew it. So it's not that big a deal. So this is the end you secure to the other end of the wire, from there to here. And make really good contact, and then they come back down on the wire to prevent it from uncoiling. So this one I pre-checked. I know it's going to reach over here. You can see it spreading, but you want this nice and tight so that it's very secure. And then all you have to do is go back to your box, make sure that, well, this one has a self-test, and you know, it just so happens it has a self-test, so all I have to do is turn it on, see if it tests right, and go on with my business. Otherwise, you're going to have to test it with your voltage tester and make sure that you have full powered whole thing. Anyway, thank you for listening, and goodbye from Lone Star Rising Ranch.